Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away on September 18, 2020, at her home in Washington, D.C. She was the second woman to serve on the Supreme Court of the United States and was appointed by President Clinton in 1993. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States, consisting of 9 justices, and leads the judicial branch of the United States government. Now, there are 8 justices on the Supreme Court, and there is an empty spot due to Justice Ginsburg's death. First, the president has to nominate someone to the court, and the Senate Judiciary votes to accept the nominee and host a 4-day hearing. President Trump nominated U.S. Federal Judge Amy Coney Barrett. Normally, this process takes a month to receive information from the FBI and other records on the candidate. This year was an exception because of the upcoming election. The Republican Party rushed the process to get President Trump's nominee seated on the bench before November 3rd. On day 1 of the hearing, each of the senators on the Judiciary Committee makes a statement regarding their concerns or support of the candidate. After this, the candidate is introduced and they make a statement about why they are qualified to do the job and a little information about their philosophy and focus. On day 2 and 3 of this very intense job interview, the candidate is asked questions and responds to the questions on national television. According to Brent Kendall from the Wall Street Journal, quote, "The nominee, like others of recent years, chose her answers carefully and avoided making specific commitments about how she may rule on hot-button legal issues," end quote. Judge Barrett went on to further say, and I quote, "If I express a view on a president one way or another, whether I say I love it or hate it, it signals to litigants that I may tilt one way or another in a pending case." On the 4th day, the candidate does not attend. The committee listens to statements from 8 witnesses, 4 from each party, and then after the committee confirms the candidate, the whole Senate votes. The 48-year-old judge has served on the 7th Circuit of Appeals since 2017 and is a longtime University of Notre Dame law professor and one of the students' favorites. Her classes fill up the quickest. The 7th Circuit of Appeals is one of the 13 U.S. Court of Appeals and has jurisdiction in Illinois, Wisconsin, and Indiana. Barrett is the mother of 7 children and her husband is a lawyer in the private practice. She adopted 2 of them from Haiti and her youngest son is autistic. Her method of legal interpretation is originalism. Originalism favored interpreting the Constitution according to its perceived original meaning. She learned this from her mentor, the late Justice Antonin Scalia, a conservative icon who campaigned that approach. Judge Barrett later said, quote, "But I want to be careful to say that if I'm confirmed, you would not be getting Justice Scalia, you would be getting Justice Barrett. And that's so because originalists don't always agree. If confirmed, this University of Notre Dame law graduate will be the first Supreme Court justice to not complete Harvard or Yale Law School." This has been Katelyn Kazmirci reporting for Flyer News.